Monday morning meetings has been at least 7 years.
Just a good chance to get everyone together face to face.
Everyone brings what they're working on and we talk about it together.
We have safety meetings once a month.
It gives me the opportunity to get my questions answered and the team can reach out to me if they need anything.
It's a perfect way to start the week.
We got multiple jobs going, everybody's doing a thing on every job. It just keeps everybody involved.
Take bits and pieces of this and start to kind of construct my week.
It's just the best thing to do for your team. Get them lined up, get them ready to tackle the week, and also talking about things that they had challenges with the week prior and help them solve those issues so that if it ever arises again, they're ready to handle it.
Lots of different steps. It's going to be a busy week.